guys, so this is how to make a table or repair a table or restore the table. So this part we need to replace it by a pieces of this same 2x6. So we need to remove this and replace this for restoring, repair and paint. Okay, this is the last plumber project, so we need to finish this for today. Even the painting is to be followed. Okay, that's for sure. We need to finish it today. Okay, just respray it. This is how to make repair and table, how to make and replace it, repair and paint it. Okay. And to make money, this extra income this summer season. Okay, how to make money and save money, this amazing YouTube channel content. Okay.